training within industry. This video was created in collaboration with Lean Community. You can join the community and start using the Lean token. What is the TWI program? TWI stands for Training Within Industry. It's a governative program born in the early 1940s when the USA realized that war could not be avoided. At that time, there was the threat of a shortage of productive and experienced workers due to the conscription of most men aged 18-34. But there were also 8 million unemployed people in the USA, but most of them never worked in the industry, so mainly women, men older than 34, and administrative workers. Rather than targeting these workers directly, TWI was addressed mostly to supervisors and experienced operators with the goal of training them to instruct employees, improve current methods of work, and maintain good relations with workers. TWI was designed so that the real job had to be done by industry within the industry. TWI is built on 3 different methodologies based on the defined needs a good supervisor should have. First, job instruction, to provide supervisors with an effective and repeatable training method and to standardize jobs. Second, job method, to teach supervisors how to improve the jobs. Third, job relation, to teach supervisors how to work effectively with people, maintain good relations, and gain the best from them. One additional section was added later on, job safety. TWI Results. More than 600 companies joined the program and were monitored by U.S. Army Department. 86% increased production by at least 25%. 100% reduced training time by 25% or more. 88% reduced labor hours by over 25%. 55% reduced scrap by at least 25%. 100% reduced claims by more than 25%. Here is an example of the B-17 airplane production. From 75 to 364 airplanes a month, that is 1 bomber every 1.6 hours. Minus 60% labor content. Minus 42% cost reduction in 32 months, from $242,000 to $139,000. TWI, PDCA, and Lean. The implementation of TWI in American industry proved to be highly beneficial and contributed heavily to the Allied victory over the Nazis. After the war, the U.S. government decided to provide TWI training in Japan, where some companies as Toyota and Sanyo applied it to build the foundations for their effective production methods. TWI success resulted from the fact that every TWI method was created on the basis of Plan Do Check Act, PDCA, a cycle developed by William Edwards Deming. All programs in TWI, called the J programs, are made of 4 steps that recall the Deming cycle. After the war, TWI was abandoned in USA, but in Japan it was well accepted and used for industrial restart. Especially Toyota kept using TWI together with Teichai Ono's principles, and this was the root of what we know today as Toyota Production System. To get the maximum benefits, the implementation of J programs should follow the sequence of 1. Job safety, to set the baseline for a safe workplace. 2. Job relation, how to work with people. 3. Job method, how to improve current work. 4. Job instruction, how to standardize and train others for the new standard. TWI Benefits. The benefits of TWI are 1. Train the trainer logic. All tasks are addressed and taught to the supervisor, which has a key role in the implementation. 2. Training. High effective training will reduce the risk of incidents, improve quality and productivity. 3. Standardization. Defining the best way to work, together with a repeatable training method, it's the basics for all other improvements. 4. Kaizen. The real Kaizen philosophy, based on small improvements done on the actual standard, was born with the job method. 5. People. Job relations help supervisors to get results through the people, getting the best from them and keeping the best relations. Why TWI today? After more than 70 years, TWI is still an effective method to fight nowadays challenges we have in the industry. By TWI, you can improve. Labor flexibility. Mass production times are over, and in some areas companies are struggling with high rotation and turnover, even internally. Skills. Workers today should not only be able to learn the job, but more additional knowledge is required. For example, technology skills, working with complex machines, IT, etc. Polyfunctionality. Polyvalent skills, ability to work on different machines or workstations, has been substituted with the need to have a wide set of knowledge, for which the training is as important as ever to maintain a high level of standardization and quality. Healthcare. TWI and Lean were always connected with the automotive business, as it was the biggest industry in the last decades. But today, more and more businesses are using these tools to be more competitive and improve the quality of their products and services. In healthcare, for example, the impact of working with people, relation, and standardization are having a huge positive impact on the organizations that try to apply this methodology. Thanks for watching this video. Remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you want to get in touch with the Lean community, read the description below.